exercise 12.2, you do it. So question is, put a tick on the figure that are reflections of each other. Which one is reflection? There you have to put a tick like this. So here you see it is a inverse. Inverse means opposite. If the figure because here you are seeing the figure is appearing opposite. So whenever it is opposite, then it is called mirror reflection. Okay, that are reflection of each other. So this one also, your opposite, if this is the original figure and it is a mirror reflection and you are getting opposite, so this is a mirror reflection. So this one is not a do you see that it is a opposite? No, it is going in the same direction. It is not in the opposite. If we will draw like this, then then it is a mirror reflection. If you draw like this, but it is not like that, going in the same direction, so it is not a mirror reflection. So the E also you are seeing opposite only, so E is also mirror reflection. Okay, so like this, 3 questions I am leaving for you. L, this C and this triangle, you try to do yourself and send to me. Okay, and here this one, draw the reflection of these shades with the dotted line as mirror. Okay, so already they have given the dotted line as mirror. Okay, so if the dotted line is this is just now I taught you, no, this is vertical mirror line. If the vertical mirror line, then a mirror reflection, you will get this type of mirror reflection. This is the figure and this is mirror dotted, this is the mirror dotted line. This is the figure and this is mirror dotted line. So here you see this is the figure and in the mirror you will get like this. So you have to draw like this image here. For L, this is actually I told you, I have given you homework for you. This is a mirror reflection or not? So but for this you have to draw the mirror reflection. So you have to draw mirror reflection like this. You will get opposite like this. Okay, in opposite like this you will get, you draw properly, and this is also you will get like a D. If you draw and try to see, and you can draw D and put in front of, if you are not getting, then you draw and put in front of mirror, then you will get it. But this is all, these 3 sums are given vertical mirror line. Okay, vertical mirror line, this one dotted as mirror line, vertical. And if it is horizontal, then what will happen? Then this portion will go upside and this will come downside. So like this, you figure you have to draw here. This is upside, this is downside. Here also, this is upside, so it will go like this, ulta. You will get it opposite. And it will come downside. And here for, if the very interesting questions here, if for B, if you are drawing the vertical mirror line, then you will get opposite like this, vertical. But if you for horizontal, you will get the same as B. So this is one MCQ questions. For vertical mirror line, you will get opposite figure, but for horizontal, you will get the same one. So please you do the exercise 12.1 and 12.2, and then afterwards next topic is pattern. So next topic is patterns. So patterns, you know very well that earlier that your grandmother or your mother also knitting the sweater, and that is also pattern only. Okay, it comes under pattern because same kind of design they are doing. So that is pattern. You may say, if you are finding like this, so this is also pattern. Okay, so same is going on like this. So this is also pattern. So in the curtain, whatever this design is there, this comes under pattern. Okay, so in the once I have shown you, I think in the bed sheet, if the designs are same, one after again one another it's following, then it comes under pattern. Okay, so this is also pattern. See these elephants. Okay, so like this three elephants and facing also like this. These are also following the patterns. Okay, this is also the following the patterns. So you again note down this one in the notebook, look at these patterns, look at this design. It is made by following a certain pattern. Okay, each line is I think whenever we are doing rangoli, no, that also comes under the pattern. And nowadays patterns that you might have seen that floor, in the floor we are using the tiles, so that also comes under the patterns. Okay, same designs we are following, that is called also comes under the patterns. So nowadays patterns is very useful, and it has a wide use in our day-to-day life. Everywhere you can see this one, so that is called patterns. If you are if you are keeping your bicycles in same manners, that also comes under patterns. Okay children, very nice this one. So look at this design. It is made by following a certain pattern. Each line is made up of two kinds of elephants. Okay, each line is made up of two kinds of elephants. The white elephant is facing left. It is followed by a blue elephant, and facing right, then the white elephant again, and so on, like this. So it also comes under the pattern. And you see carefully, you can draw this one in the notebook also. And next thing is that we are following some numeric pattern. Okay, so here it is written, maths is full of patterns. For example, tables form a pattern, because we are by hearting, no, the tables 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6, so it is increasing by 2 2 2, so that is comes under the patterns. Okay, so tables form a pattern. So here given already, tables of 2, like this, all tables. Once you know the rule for a pattern, you can continue the pattern. So like this, you have to do some questions on patterns. If you will, what I will tell you, if you see that they are following some manners, manners, then it comes under patterns. So if 2 lines, when you are returning from the assembly, after assembly you are going to your class, and 3 lines are going in same manner, that also comes under patterns. Okay, if you take video, then it look like nice that yes, following the manners, and that comes under the patterns. So like this, you have to think yourself what use is there in your day-to-day life, right? So here continue the pattern. 1 3 5 7 9. 1 and 3, what is the difference? Yes, 2 3 5 2 5 7 2. So next 3 you have to fill. You have to write the next number. What is the difference of 2? Okay, like this. So here 1 2 4 1, then 2, then 4. So here they are doing plus 1 2, here doing plus 2 4, then 3, then 4, like this. Now with 11 you have to add 5, then next you have to add 6, like this, it following the patterns.